Welcome back to our channel, where we make streaming easier for everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of IPTV and how to download it. But wait, before we start, this video is sponsored by 2TV.store, the best IPTV provider. With countless channels and seamless streaming, 2TV.store is your go-to choice for IPTV. Let's begin by discussing what IPTV actually is and why it matters. IPTV allows users to stream live TV channels over the internet for more convenience. Now let's move on to downloading IPTV. Make sure your device is compatible. You can use devices like Android phones, smart TVs, or even streaming boxes. First, visit the App Store on your device and search for an IPTV app. For beginners, apps like Perfect Player and IPTV Smarters are highly recommended. Once you find an app, hit the download button and wait for the installation to finish. After installing, open the app and look for settings to configure your IPTV source. Now you'll need to enter the M3U playlist link from your IPTV provider. Don't forget, our recommended provider, .2tv.store, offers easy access to these links. Once the link is added, save your settings and return to the main screen. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded IPTV and are ready to enjoy your shows. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to check out www.2tv.store for amazing IPTV options.